Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 2 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York on Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the 16th day of August, 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver, our weekend review. What a phenomenal day for the precious metals, with December gold closing at an all-time record high close after gaining $51.70. December gold is now at $2,546.20. On a weekly basis, gold gained $75.60. Two-thirds of that occurred in trading today. Silver gained just over 66 cents in trading today, taking the most active September contract to $29.08. Dollar weakness certainly made a large contribution to gains in both gold and silver. The dollar itself gave up about 0.75%, taking the index to 103.152. This first chart is a standard Japanese candlestick chart. 8-hour candles define the chart. We can see that over the last half of the 24-hour trading session, we saw the vast majority of gains. I've converted our chart to a Henkinashi. I draw your attention to the last two candles on this chart. They are the largest body sizes on the entire chart, indicative of an extremely strong trend. On a technical basis, today's upside move is not only significant, it is a game changer. The way I want to illustrate that is by pointing out that gold has had superlative resistance at right around $2,520. These are a series of intraday highs, the wicks, this one occurring on April 12th, this one occurring on the 20th day of May, this top occurring on July 17th, another one on August the 2nd, and then this one on August the 14th. On all occasions, gold prices tested this area, 2520, unsuccessfully traded above it, and in each and every case backed off of it. With the exception of this candle, all of the other instances were only with the wicks or intraday highs. That all changed today. Not only did gold open and close above it, look at the body size and a solid close well above $25.20, a breakout in every sense of the word, and that, traders, is exceedingly significant. This last chart is a long-term view looking at the last year in gold prices with our most current Elliott wave count and projections that are based upon Fibonacci extensions. Traders, on previous shows, we have been looking to forecast a conclusion point for wave 3, which is based upon a Fibonacci extension of wave 1. We do have that target in place. What I want to add to it today is an addition to the model, assuming that the third wave goes anywhere between 25.85 on the low end and 26.30 on the high end. We have a fourth wave correction that most likely would take us to about 25.20. We talked about why that is a critical number, which is why I'm able to come up with our target for our fifth wave conclusion. Realize the fifth wave conclusion I am not looking for till the end of this year, first quarter of next year, with my target of approximately $2,700 per ounce.
Silver also had a very strong move to the upside today, ending out the day on the highs, just like gold did. The price target that I had outlined last Friday was hit today. Remember, that price point was made up of a few technical indicators, which include the 61% Fibonacci retracement, as well as the 50 and 100-day simple moving averages. We could see some resistance come into the market anywhere from 29.15 to 29.40. I see us going as high as the 78% retracement by the end of next week, which is right at around $30.88. Another prediction made last week, silver's correlation with gold would come back into play, and it is definitely starting to. Here is the 14-day correlation coefficient with gold futures. We have had a sharp spike to the upside and a pivot since last Thursday. Another aspect we spoke about last week was silver's wave count, our impulse, motive phase, and our corrective phase in red. This is our benchmark wave 1. We can travel as far as $30.88 before we see a correction or a wave 2 come into the market. That paves the way for a very strong bullish wave count in silver.
This has been Gary Wagner,
And Joseph Wagner.
wishing you, as always, good trading. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.